What are you doing? You gonna go? Oh, you're reading a book? Oh. Uh-oh, here goes the roll.
Hi, Lily.
She's happy.
Hi, baby.
Whoa! Oh, that was no fair. It's still tummy time. Now we gotta get Froggy's here to help.
He's a buffer?
I don't know.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby girl. What's you doing over there?
Let me see those dimples. Look at the dimples. Oh.
There she
She's
goes.
gonna clunk her little noggin again.
Well, usually I put a blanket beside her. You can put that quilt out if you want.
Yeah. Okay, let's go for safety first.
It's only like an inch that she's raised up, but when she rolls it seems like a bit.
She really spins. Yeah.
Here she goes.
Lily Lulu 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 Dee Dee Doo.
Oh, she gets that head up by her. It's like a counter lever or something.
Oh.
She's holding on to the.
Are you holding on for dear life?
Good job! Wow!
Good stuff. But no, we want you to go in your tummy. It's tummy time. Yes, we do.
We have to put something in front of her, like tilt the flowers over and tilt the flowers over, and she can. I don't know if she'd touch those. She did last night, didn't she?
Yeah, she was big on them.
Do you like your flowers?
Maybe we'll go the other way too, incidentally.
No, it would be neat to know if she could go both ways.
Well, she did. She went the other way first time. Oh. Awesome. Oh, here she goes. Oh, oh. She likes to eat them.
Hi. Hi, little bear. Are you our little Easter bunny? Oh. What you got there? What's that? Those your flowers. Oh, goodness. Are you chomping on those flowers? Can you get them if they're over here? Okay, Mario, look at this. See if she can get to the flowers. If you put something like a distance away, could you get to it?
Oh, yeah.
She's trying and she's thinking about it. Maybe that's too far.
No, we're gonna push it. Put a little arm under there. There you go, little arm. Now get the flowers. Get those. Those are yours.
Hi, Lily. Oh.
She scooped them.
It's hard when your feet go up in the air behind you.
Oh. They look delicious.
And noisy. Does your food make noises? Hi, little bear. Everybody asks if I call you Lily, but really I call you my doodle bear.
Lily.
And my boo-boo. Hi, boo-boo. That head is top heavy. Oh, Dad, will you fix my arm? It's so open. This is probably the longest she's been on her tummy. Like, and still. Oh, there goes a bunch of sticky drool. Oh, you're very photogenic. Yes, you always. You're good for the camera. Whoa! Ooh, come on. Oh. Dad, look what I did. Our little yellow.
Oh. Mom, you want to see your little chop?
Our little yellow turtle.
Oh, baby. Oh, you want to look at the baby in the mirror? Oh, you love that baby. Yeah, there's the baby in the mirror. Your eyes are so blue.